In the rapidly evolving world of finance marketing, hyper-automation is re-evolving how financial services reach and engage their customer. Hyper-automated marketing campaigns, advanced technologies like AI, machine learning, robotic process automation, and data analytics to create fully automated intelligent marketing campaigns that run with minimal human intervention. The approach is especially powerful in the financial sector, where personalization, speed, and compliance are critical. For financial marketers, hyper-automation means they can deliver highly targeted messages at the perfect time across multiple channels, including email, social media, mobile apps, and websites. By leveraging AI-driven customer segmentation and predictive analytics, marketers can understand customer behavior in real time and automatically adjust campaigns to maximize conversion. This level of precision not only improve ROI but also enhance customer experience by providing relevant offers and finance advice tailored to individual needs. One of the key benefits of hyper automation is financial services marketing scalability. Traditional marketing methods struggle to handle the vast amount of data generated by today's digital customer. Hyper automation platform, however, can process and analyze massive data sets, instantly enabling marketing to launch thousands of personalized campaigns simultaneously. This efficiently frees up the time and resources, allowing team to focus on strategy and creative work while automation handles repetitively tasks like lead scoring, follows up, and compliance checks. Compliance is a major concern in financial marketing, and hyper automation helps ensure that all communication meet regulatory standards. Automated workflows can monitor content for compliance issues, manage concern, prefers, and generate audit trails without manual oversight. This reduces risk and build trust with consumers who are increasingly aware of privacy and secure concerns. Another important aspect is hyper-personalization. Customers expect more than generic personal product advertisement. They want relevant, timely, and actionable insight. Hyper-automatic marketing system use data from multiple sources, including transaction history, credit profiles, and even social media behavior to create dynamic campaigns that speak directly to each customer financial goals, whether promoting loans, investing plans, or insurance product. This personalized approach drive engagement and loyalty. The integration of chatbot and conversational AI further enhance hyper automated marketing by offering real time customer interaction and support. This intelligent assistant can handle queries, schedule appointment, and guide users through complex financial routine 24/7, providing a seamless customer journey that builds confidence and satisfaction. To successfully implement hyper automated marketing in financial services, organizations need a clear strategy that align technology with business goals. Choosing the right automation platform like investing in quality data management and training teams to work alongside AI tools are essential steps.